Okay, this is it. If you are looking for that urban homestead that is literally walking distance to restaurants and bars, this is McKinley Avenue, and this is wow. Obviously, I walked through all of these houses before turning on all the lights, and I am just sitting here in awe. And anyone who's saying like, oh, McKinley, that's a bad area, it's not. I live in this neighborhood. I run here. And I walk, and I'm a female, and I feel absolutely comfortable. Look how amazing this is. Very vintage feel. Incredible. These windows have a water view, or a sliver of water view. Let me show you. There is downtown Tacoma right there. Sliver of water there. This is listed by Bethany Jones with Windermere. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home, over 2,000 square feet. And it is just the epitome of that vintage feel. I feel like this would be the perfect Instagrammable house. If you're looking to make that urban homestead Instagram house, this would be the one where you still have the modern convenience of an updated kitchen, updated bathrooms. Just absolutely stunning. This is a walk-in butler's pantry. This opens up to the dining rooms if you wanted to serve things. Here is one of the full bathrooms, or 0.75 since it doesn't have a bath. Another view of this kitchen. The star of the show, this gigantic backyard. Ready for all of those garden beds, your chickens. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys to the basement next. Do a quick run through it. Speed. Okay, back up into the kitchen area, and let's go outside. I just love this grand foyer. This door closes, you can lock it off. Put some plants in here, lots of great natural light. We're obviously having a Washington day right now. A little overcast, but that room would be incredibly bright. So immediately to your left, you've got 2 bedrooms. Pretty good size, all of the original doors. Whoever buys this house, please make a promise that you won't paint any of this original trim white. I know it'll be your house and you can do whatever you want with it, but there's not many historical looking homes anymore in this area, and you just can't buy these original doors. It's so incredibly hard to strip the paint and everything else. There's so many rooms, all really good size. And I just want to show you, look at the detail on this trim work. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, original hardwood floors. These could get redone, but I love them as is. Put some big, fluffy rugs, some wool rugs that you thrift and get cleaned out. You just can't beat this original charm. These LED windows, absolutely amazing. And if you're interested in this home and want to do a private tour to look at these details in person, let me know. I would be grateful and love to show you around.